There's a reason you're not growing, and it's not what you think. It's not your age. It's not your past. It's not your talent. The truth is much deeper and much harder to accept. Most people don't grow because they're addicted to the life that's breaking them. And today, you're going to face that truth. Think about it. There was a time when you dreamed bigger, when you had fire, when you believed you could rebuild your whole life from scratch. But slowly, life started pulling pieces out of you. People disappointed you, opportunities slipped away, failures made you question your worth, and you began living small. Not because you wanted to, but because you didn't realize you were shrinking. Growth doesn't stop because life gets hard. Growth stops because you chose comfort over progress. Growth requires letting go of old identities, doing things that scare you, walking away from people who don't clap for you, becoming a beginner again, breaking your own ego. But most people choose the opposite. They choose habits that feel safe, people who feel familiar, excuses that sound convincing, and a lifestyle that demands nothing from them. Here's the principle. You grow the moment your desire becomes stronger than your excuses. If you want real growth, start here. 1. Audit your environment. If the people around you aren't growing, you won't either. Replace noise with inspiration. 2. Do one hard thing daily. Cold showers, morning walks, deep work. Your brain grows when you overcome resistance. 3. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is a result of action, not the cause. Move first, feel later. 4. Upgrade your identity. Stop telling yourself you're stuck. Start acting like the person you want to become. Decisions shape identity. Identity shapes destiny. 5. Choose long-term rewards over short-term comfort. Growth is slow. Discomfort is fast. Those who win are the ones who survive the uncomfortable phase. Listen, you're not weak. You're not broken. You're just unfinished. Your real life begins the moment you say, "I'm done being who I was. It's time to become who I'm meant to be." Your growth isn't waiting for the right time. It's waiting for the real you.